Autodesk Process Analysis is a web application used to model, study and optimize a wide variety of manufacturing processes. By visualizing the process, you can optimize performance and identify potential bottlenecks before they occur on the factory floor. Let's have a look on the new functionality. Build factory process models with the block diagram tool. Place and connect sources, processors and buffers to form a work cell or assembly line. Sources are raw materials or parts that are entering a factory workflow. Processors receive source materials or parts and perform operations on them. Operators represent resources such as humans or robots. End products are the final items produced at the end of a factory or a subline. If you are currently tracking and analyzing process model objects and settings in Microsoft Excel, you can import that data directly into Process Analysis to create a model design. Once you import the model, you can refine it, run simulations and generate simulation data that can be exported back into Excel for further use and analysis. Enter a specific takt time target that can be applied in reports and line balancing activities to clearly understand how your design process compares against the set target takt time. View processor cycle time charts or line efficiency reports to visualize the results of your simulation to improve your process model. After creating a process model design, you can save a design to the cloud or to a local directory. Once saved, you can export the design as a DWG file for use in AutoCAD and synchronization with Inventor, or send the data to an Excel file.